But of course, who can forget the Weather Channel's most iconic thunderstorm moment when Jim Cantore, lost his mind during Winter Storm Neptune in February 2015. So what will the big storm of the season be? Will it leave Central Park covered in white like you just saw right there? We're going to reveal our winter storm names for the 2019-2020 season. And here we go. Drum roll, please. I decided that I wanted to be surprised as well. So these are my first time seeing the names. And here we go. We start the list with Aubrey, then Bessie and Caleb and Dorothy. And if you were playing along, actually, with our trivia and with our riddles, Dorothy was an easy one to guess. We've got Finley and Gage and Lamont and Mabel go all the way down to Zachariah on this Z name. Now, it's a very objective way of choosing when we name storms. I want to run through a little bit of the criteria for you. We actually need to have at least 2 million people and or 400,000 square kilometers of area that will be expected to go under winter storm warnings. That's key, right? We want to make sure we have some very objective criteria to name these storms. So we've already kicked off the season with one big storm that actually set records, but it didn't hit this criteria, so we weren't able to give it a name. We are getting a little more snow out there today in parts of North Dakota. Not enough to give it a name, but we'll have more on your forecast throughout the day.